Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to karaoke on Spotify. So simply first of all open the Spotify app in your cell phone. So here you can see we have opened Spotify app in our cell phone. So just click the search bar. So here you can type the song which you want to karaoke. So simply I am typing never do karaoke. So here you can see the many versions of song karaoke. So not every karaoke song have lyrics. So simply you can select here the relevant song, but you need to understand that some karaoke song have lyrics and some are without lyrics. So in this way you can simply karaoke on Spotify.